Detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon play a crucial role in the successful execution of construction projects. These services involve meticulously surveying the site to gather accurate and detailed information about the existing conditions. The collected data is then utilized to create comprehensive engineering designs that meet the project requirements. Gurgaon, being a rapidly developing city, requires specialized detail engineering survey services to cater to the growing infrastructure needs. These services are provided by experienced and skilled professionals who possess in-depth knowledge of surveying techniques and engineering principles. Scon Design is a leading company that offers detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon. With a team of highly qualified and experienced engineers, they are able to provide accurate and reliable survey solutions for a wide range of projects. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or industrial project, Scon Design has the expertise to deliver precise and efficient survey services. They utilize advanced surveying equipment and software to ensure that the data collected is accurate and up-to-date. This enables them to create detailed engineering designs that meet the specific requirements of their clients. One of the key benefits of availing detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon is the ability to identify any potential challenges or constraints that may affect the project. The surveyors at Scon Design conduct a thorough site analysis to assess the topography, soil conditions, and any existing structures or utilities. This helps in identifying any obstacles that may need to be addressed during the construction phase. By proactively identifying these challenges, the client can develop effective strategies to overcome them and ensure smooth project execution. Another advantage of detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon is the ability to optimize the use of resources. Construction projects in Gurgaon can't be completed without the assistance of detail engineering survey services. Accurate and precise information regarding the site's current state can only be gathered by a thorough survey, which is exactly what is done as part of these services. Following data collection, detailed engineering designs are developed to fulfill the project specifications. Due to the city's rapid expansion, detailed engineering survey services are in high demand in Gurgaon so that the city's expanding infrastructure can keep up. These services are performed by experts with extensive training and expertise in surveying and an understanding of engineering fundamentals. When it comes to engineering survey services, Scon Design is the industry leader in Gurgaon. They have a crew of skilled and experienced engineers, so they can offer trustworthy survey solutions for any job. Scon Design has the experience to provide reliable survey services for any type of building or construction project, whether it be private or public. They employ cutting-edge surveying tools and programs to guarantee the data they acquire is reliable. Because of this, they are able to provide clients with thorough technical designs tailored to their needs.